Hello and welcome back to another video. Here I got a pretty fun video. Today we're going to go through 5 weird fruit varieties you didn't know about. So for these are fruits that you know about, but there's different varieties as you can see for the first 3 pictures. So first of all, we have hidden rose apple. As you can see, the fruit is very red. Um, the outside is green. You wouldn't expect this. That's why it's called hidden rose apple. Um, the taste is very tart and has a mild sweetness, so it's usually eaten with cheese, like sliced thinly and eaten with cheese. So that's interesting. So next we have a pomegranate. This is the Eversweet Pomegranate. They're actually very sweet, and something cool about this one is that the juice is clear and doesn't stain. So like normal pomegranates are that red juice, and it's just, if it gets on any clothes, it's staining that forever. So that's pretty cool about this one. Next, we're going to go to a watermelon. So this is different because it's an annual plant. You can actually grow these basically if you have 80 growing days. So it's kind of longer growing, but it's shorter compared to some other watermelons, and it produces 20-pound fruit. It is like the red crimson, similar to it. Has good taste as well, but just look at that. That's just, you don't see that in stores. I might have to get my hands on some of these seeds to grow one. Next, one of my favorites, and the reason is I have one of them. These are pink lemonade variety of blueberries, and they actually taste how the name, or like how the name applies. It's not applies, it's implies. Um, it's a mistake, but yes, they are. This is how they look when they're ripe. Very pinkish, um, not very similar, and I bet you have not seen these unless you grow blueberries and look into this other variety. And is this the last one? Yes, I think it is. So here we have a yellow-green fig, much different than the red variety. You can see those little seeds inside of it. A very interesting. It's called the Marcellus variety and has mild flavor. So I'm guessing it's not as tasteful as some of the other ones. This one, it looks like it's not ripe to me, but this is what it looks like when it is ripe. And that is all I have today. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration. Maybe you'll try growing one of these if you have the right growing zone to do so. I appreciate you watching this video, and make sure you check out some other ones. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment down below what you thought was your favorite one of these top 5. Or not top 5, just list of 5. Thanks for watching.